If your dropshipping business is dying because of slow shipping, fake supplier, angry customer, then this single video can literally save your store. Today I'm revealing a fulfillment company that many 6 to 7 figure dropshipper don't want beginners to know about. Hey guys, Rana here. If you're doing a dropshipping, private labeling, Amazon FBA, wholesale or even crowdfunding, then this video is extremely important for you. Because today I'm gonna give you an honest and practical review of Fulfillman.com. What it is, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether you should actually use it or not. Let me ask you one simple question. AliExpress equal 15 to 30 days shipping. Customer asking, where is my order? Every day. Refund, PayPal dispute, and chargeback. This is the #1 reason beginners quit dropshipping. And this is exactly where Fulfillment comes in. What is Fulfillment? Fulfillment is China-based global fulfillment and dropshipping service provider company that help you with source products, store inventory, ship order fast, add custom branding and private labeling. Handles Amazon FBA, wholesale and crowdfunding. It replaces AliExpress plus random agent plus headache with one professional system. Fulfillment offers private labeling. If you want to scale, you can't sell generic items forever. You need to build a brand. Fulfillment allows you to add your logo to the product, create custom packaging and boxes, even include flyers or business card in the box. They stop you from looking like a random dropshipping site and make you look like a real established brand. But branding means nothing if shipping is slow. If your store shows longer delivery time, your customer won't think twice. They just leave and don't buy from your store. Fulfillment has their own private shipping line that ship the product 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Plus they have their own warehouse in China. If you have winning product, you can store your inventory in their warehouse for speed up the processing time. But let's be real, you can have your logo on the product box, right? But if your product photos looks like they were stolen from low quality AliExpress listing, nobody's gonna buy from your store. High quality images are what separates a scam site from a legitimate business. And this is where Fulfillment surprised me. They aren't just a warehouse, they are creative studio. They offer product photography service directly in-house. Need cleaned, white background, hero shot to elevate your brand? They shoot for you. Selling clothes? They can use ghost medical photography so the customer can see the fit and shade without a model distracting them. Selling high-ticket items like jewelry? They have specific lighting setup to make it look like more premium. Stop using pixeled image you found online. Send them a sample and let the fulfillment shoot it professionally and watch your conversion rate double. But those of you who are looking to go beyond a Shopify store, Fulfillment handles the big league too. If you're selling on Amazon, they offer streamlined Amazon FBA solution. They handle label, quality, inspection, and shipping directly to Amazon warehouse. Or if you are launching a product on Kickstarter or Indigo, they have dedicated crowdfunding service. They integrate directly to your campaign to ship rewards to backer globally. But the biggest reason I recommend them is peace of mind. Damaged product, they refund you. A wrong item set, they resend it for free. Lost shipment, they handles it. They integrate seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, and much more. You don't deal with headaches, you focus on scaling your ads. Another big win is product quality. Fulfillment has their own warehouse in China where they keep the product in excellent condition for customer satisfaction. That means your customer actually receive what they expect. No pokes, no dust, no low quality surprises. The biggest mistake I see people sourcing product from AliExpress and wondering why they have no profit margin left for ads. You are paying retail price for wholesale goods. Fulfillment solves this by acting as your dedicated sourcing agent. They don't just borrow a catalog, they go directly to the Chinese factories to negotiate the price. You can get your own. UAE getting factory direct prices require buying 1,000 units upfront. But with Fulfillment, you get low MOQs, you can start small without breaking a bank. Quality inspection, they check goods before they leave warehouse, so you aren't shipping a junk to your customer. Better margins, lower product cost means more profit in your pocket. Stop letting it middleman your profit. Go direct to source. So if you are tired of guessing and want a partner that actually carry your business, go to fulfillman.com. Don't just take my words for it. Go to their site and click on the get a free code button and see the difference for yourself. So that's the end of this video. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.